Automating your everyday tasks helps save precious time and resources while ensuring everything gets done right on time. Auto tasks are set up within each listing in Guesty, so go ahead and click here to head over to the listings page, choose the relevant listing, and begin by creating a task template. Click here and then create a task template. Give the template a title, for example, clean the apartment, choose the type of task, and add a description. Decide how long the task should take by setting its duration, and if relevant, you can also set its priority. Specify what needs to be done with a list of to-do items, which can be crossed off when completed. Once you've typed in an item, click here to add another, or here to delete it. If someone else will be taking on the task, go ahead and assign it to them now. This can be a specific person or a group that you've already set up in Guesty Lite. Members of that group can assign the task to themselves through the Guesty mobile app, and you can also assign a supervisor for the task right here. You can also leave this section blank or edit it later on. Here, upload some documents like manuals, images, and so on. And lastly, set up automated actions that occur once the task has been completed, such as changing the listing's cleaning status or sending a message to a guest or a team member. Click Save when done, and you'll see that the template has been saved here. It's time to set up the automatic scheduling. This is also done within the property page by clicking Automation and then Auto Tasks. Now, click here. Select the relevant template and choose when this task should be completed, on a specific point in time, like 1 hour after checkout, for example, or within a flexible time frame, say between checkout and up to 1 hour before the next check-in. Click Save, and that's it. Tasks will be automatically scheduled for all new confirmed reservations at the property, and you can now manage your housekeeping and maintenance with ease and efficiency. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our help center. Thanks for watching.